Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you some more craft supplies that I received from Beebeecraft. The first thing I have here are these festive miniature ornaments. The set includes a reindeer, a wreath, presents, snowmen and other adorable miniatures. I also got 2 sets of scrapbook paper. Each set has 12 designs with 24 sheets in total, and these make great wallpaper for the dollhouse. I also got this craft pack which comes with lots of fun craft supplies. The set includes stickers, decorative tape, pens, craft punches and scissors. Now I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make a quick craft using these supplies. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!